Stop. Before you upload that your next video, do you want YouTube to actually recommend it, or you want it to be buried somewhere no one will ever find it? Because uploading your video the wrong way is the fastest way to kill your video before it even starts. And in this video, I will be showing you how to upload your video step by step, fast and beginner friendly. So in the next few minutes, you will learn what to do when uploading your video, from tags, titles, description, thumbnails, and even setting your visibility or scheduling your video so that your video get a chance to meet the right audience. So my name is Anif. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do and put me on post notification. So let's get into the video. So to begin uploading your video, you visit YT Studios or simply YouTube Studios and you hit on enter. So after searching YT Studios, the first link that will appear, YouTube Studios, so click on it. If you are already signed in, your YouTube dashboard will come. But if you are not signed in, you need to sign in. So you go to the top right corner of your web page, you see create and you click on uploads. So over here is where you select your videos. You select your video to be uploaded. So you click on select video, you click on select video file and go wherever your video is, and click on the video for it to be uploaded. So you wait for a little while and then it will come. You see it is loading. It has loaded up to 7%. So this is where you put your title, and your title is very, very key. Anytime you want to upload your video, make a good time to think about your title, and your title too, and your title and your thumbnail should always match. That's one very important thing too. So out here is where we put our description. So let me get my description. You see, this is my description that I want to use. I've already copied it. So your description to, you see this part, you always had you always you must always add tags that will help your video grow. So one niche specific tag and then other relevant tags. So me, my niche specific tag right now is YouTube growth. So you quickly add hash, sorry, hash and uh, YT growth. So this is my niche specific, and I'm doing a video on nano banana. So I added nano, and graphic, and also graphic design is another relevant tag, and AI art is also another relevant tag. So do what to also add this tag, to also add this tag in your title. You see, so add the title, and there's one thing to you want to know. If you want any, so after adding the tags, we proceed to adding our thumbnail. So this is where you add your thumbnail. But if you have two thumbnails that you are contemplating about and you don't know which one to select, you go to test and compare. So you upload the two thumbnails, and the one that is working, YouTube will recommend it to people. The one that is working well, then you can later change it to that thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to upload my thumbnail. Let me select my thumbnail and then we'll proceed from there. Okay, here you go. I've started uploading my thumbnail too. So after that, you come down here. You see these two options here. If you are doing a content that is kids related, you select yes, it's made for kids. So content like Coco Melon, you can select that. Or what you have to do it also is select no if you are not making it for, so content like this are not meant for kids, so you select no. Okay, so you come to show more and go down. You see this part of the option, they're asking whether your content is altered. So basically, when you've added someone's video or image that they didn't say anything or do, you can select yes, but I didn't add anything like that, so I'm selecting no. Then now we proceed to our checks. So this is where you check whether um, your video is actually having any copyright content in it. So my video is done uploading, there's no copyright content in it. So one thing too we have to note, when you go to more and head down, you see where to add your tags. So these tags, I've already done my default. So anytime I'm uploading, these tags are there defaultly. So if you don't know how to do this, I've done it in my previous video, which you can go take a look at it. So I thought it's while teaching people how to create their YouTube channel the right way. So if you want, you can go check it out and see how to put your tags there default, so that anytime you want to upload, the tags are there already. You don't need to think about it. So to get these tags, you would visit vidIQ, which I'll be putting the link in the description. So when you visit vidIQ, you go to free AI tools and you go down here, you see YouTube tag generator. You click on YouTube tag generator. So after clicking on YouTube tag generator, so anything you want to do, you search it over there, which is your title. So YouTube growth, and then you hit on generate and wait for a little while for it to load. So while it is loading, you see it is done loading. You see, so it has given you tags that you can use in your description. So you see the tags it gave me. So if you want, you can copy it over here or copy all to over here. Then you go back to here and paste it over there. So whilst we are done with this part of the video, let's now proceed to uploading, where to set our video visibility. So actually we have four types of visibilities that you can use. You can use the private, you can use the unlisted or public. I don't advise using the public. I advise keeping your video private for minimum of 12 hours to 24 hours, so that the algorithm will get to understand the kind of content you are doing and recommend it to the right people. So mostly I use the schedule to schedule my video for some particular time that I want to publish it. So it will be in the system for minimum of 12 hours to 24 hours. So you select the date and also the time. So let me select the time for my video to be live. So let's say 10 p.m. I want to make my video live. Then now that you are done with everything, double check whether everything is okay. After that, you come back to your visibility and you see over here, you click on schedule. But normally, if you are doing your video public at once, you see publish. Okay, so now my video is live, and if you check content, you see it over there, it's scheduled. So this brings us to the end of our video. If you have any question that you want to ask about this video, kindly ask it in the comment section, because I reply all my comments. And also, if you find this video very helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and put me on post notification, so that anytime I upload any video like this, you get it right into your feed. See you in the next one.